Alright guys, welcome back. This is video 2. I'm going to focus only on problem 8 here. So you have to plot 3 points. The first one is A at 3, 3. So that's right there. Sorry, right here. Point B is at 0, 6. So 0, 6. And point C is at 3, 6. Right there. So, very ugly triangle, but you get the idea. The first thing it's going to ask you to do is calculate the side lengths. Now, obviously, with this, you can count units. So, very clearly, BC is 3 and CA is 3. The one you're not going to be able to do so easily is AB because it's a diagonal. You have to use distance formula. That formula will be provided to you tomorrow or today, I guess, whenever you're looking at this on the quiz. So you're using the points A and B. A is at 3, 3, and B is at 0, 6. Okay, distance formula, big square root, x2 minus x1. So 0 minus 3 squared plus y2 minus y1, 6 minus 3 squared. Okay, work through that. 0 minus 3 is negative 3, square that is 9, positive 9. 6 minus 3 is 3, square that is also 9. You get the square root of 18. You're welcome to keep it like that, or round it off, actually do the math on the calculator. You get about 4.242. All right, so either way, that'll work as the distance for AC. Then you have to identify it by sides and angles. So again, guys, don't overcomplicate this. 3 sides matching, equilateral. 2 sides matching, isosceles. No sides matching, scalene. This has 2 sides of length 3. This is isosceles. When it says justify your answer, yes, you could say that 2 sides are the same. It would probably be a good idea to say specifically what sides. BC is congruent to CA. Would probably be a good thing to write as well. For angles, you have at C a perpendicular angle. So first of all, it's a right triangle. And again, your justification would be that angle C is 90 degrees or it's perpendicular, something along those lines. Okay? All right, so I'm going to take off a lot of this stuff. Hopefully you're looking at the questions on your paper because I have to cover up a lot. So I'm going to replot this triangle real quick here. We have right there 3, 3, and then we found that to be 4.24. So this was A, B, C. And then it's going to ask us to plot STU, where S is at negative 1, negative 1. Let me double check that to make sure. No, negative 1, 2. T is at negative 1, 1. And U is at 1, negative 1. So S is at negative 1, 2. T is at negative 1, negative 1. And U is at 1, negative 1. Yeah. Then it asks you, are these two triangles congruent? And the answer should be clearly no. And the easiest way to say that is that BC is not congruent with TU. TU is 2 units and BC is 3. So corresponding parts not congruent there. All right? And we look back at the question for a second. We should have covered everything. We plotted it. We got the distances. We classified it, we plotted that, and we decided that's not congruent. All right, so I'm going to stop this video. The third video will have all the backside, which should be a little bit easier.